Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Matt again from Life Mattified. Got a package in the mail the other day and contains a smaller mod, but something that I've been wanting to do for a while to the Gladiator. So we're going to do that today, get it on film, and I'll document it along the way. So thanks for stopping by, and let's check this out. Alright guys, so I've been wanting to buy some easy hood struts for the Gladiator. So I no longer have to use the prop and actually can take advantage of the easy up gas struts that these contain. And I went ahead and decided to choose a product from Redline Tuning. It is their hood QuickLIFT system. So got it right here. Let's get it unboxed and we can install it. Alright guys, let's open these up and see what we got. So we got the gas struts themselves, hardware, of course, with the brackets and all that. And then we have some awesome, wow, these are great instructions. Because the sticker instructions are, looks like very, very detailed color. This should go pretty quickly. It's not rocket science, but I'm eager to get these installed, so let's do that. Alright guys, so it looks like we just need a 10mm socket, and that just takes care of everything. So let me get this stuff organized a little bit better and go ahead and start. Thanks for checking me out, and let's get this installed. Alright guys, so first thing they want you to do is you want to remove with that 10mm socket, you want to remove this bolt right here. I take that back, this bolt right here. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, now we have bracket number 28. There's a number right on there. They want you to set that here and put the same screw in, tighten it up. So let's do that. Okay guys, now we're going to repeat the step on the passenger side. They actually want you to, when you tighten it, they want you to push on the front peg while pulling back on this side of the bracket. So let's do that. Alright guys, sorry if the camera's crooked, but this is where I got you set up. So the other two brackets are identical, number 30, and they actually slip in this little guide hole here and the slot, I guess. First they want you to take the bottom screw out, so let me do that. And then it kind of swings this bar out a little bit, you can see. So then the key is to slide this inside. Alright guys, this was a little tricky. So behind this foam there's a plastic insert that sticks into this hole here. I had to remove that in order to feed that metal bar inside. So now that that's done though, I can tighten it up. So looks pretty straightforward from here on in. So let me tighten that up. Okay, so now that I got that second bolt in, I can push this plastic piece right back in that hole. And that would be it on this side. So I'm gonna move over to the other side. Give me 1 second. All right guys, almost done. I did have to take the prop out because you have to push up a little bit on the hood to actually get the strut on. It's actually got this one on really easy. You just kind of rock the opening against that little ball and push gently and it'll snap. This one, let me see if I can set the camera down. All right guys, there you have it. I can finally take this old prop out of the way and give it a test. So we move this, bring it down. So there's the latched, like we all know, right? So let's try it. Oh dude, I love that. Sweet. Very, very great company from what I've worked with them. Very prompt on the shipping, very friendly in communications with them. Here I can show you the strut on the bottom there, and then the top actually clips perfect. You heard the snaps before, and yeah, I'm pretty happy. So let's try it again. I know this is exciting, but those little things, right? All right guys, here's the wrap up. Again, Redline tuning is the product. Really liked it. Very, very smooth install, very quick install, and I'm glad to have these. I've been floating around this idea for a while, and then on top of that, getting frustrated with other parts that are back ordered. Fenders. I had the need to do something to the Jeep. So yeah, so we got this done. Prompt shipping, packaging was great. Install was very straightforward. Just keep an eye on the screws when you put these in, because they're small and they're black, and your engine bay primarily is black as well. And yeah, I dropped one, but I found it pretty quick, so that's good. So yeah, I love it. Looks good. Holds the hood up great. Awaiting my next oil change probably. So that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys viewing as always. Check back as often as you can. Check out my other videos. Please like, please subscribe. The channel's still growing, and I really appreciate the attention. And I'm gonna keep doing this Jeep Gladiator up the right way and get some more mods done. I always have ideas of what I want to do upcoming, but let's call this one done. And thanks again for stopping by, and I will get this to the edit room, aka my kitchen table, and then I'll get this up. So thanks for checking out the video. Maybe it's something you want to do. Any questions, throw it in the description, and I'm sorry, not in the description, throw the comments in as you always do. In the description, I'll link to the product and we'll go from there. Thanks so much, guys.